What is up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is Gladiator OS MIUI 12.5.7 running in the Poco X3 Pro. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the things which are really awesome in this ROM, and there are some things which are not that great. So let's just talk about the things which are amazing. First of all, this ROM is based on MIUI 12.5.7, so we get all the features like memory extension which we had in the MIUI extended version. So as you guys can see, we have that memory extension feature where it is giving me 2 GB extra RAM. So that's nice. And now let's just talk about the overall use of this ROM. So this is one of the smoothest MIUI experience I have ever had. It is actually better than MIUI EU ROM, which I have used a lot of days, but still this one is better because of two main reasons. Number one, the app animations are a lot more smooth and not glitchy at all. That is the first reason. And second, it just feels a lot more responsive. This ROM is very responsive to use. Day-to-day apps opening is also really nice. The speed is also like kinda good, but still Lineage OS was excellent in speed. That was the fastest ROM ever. But you know, we love Gladiator OS because it is MIUI based and it also has that MIUI camera. So now let's just talk about the camera, what's new and what's good in that. So first of all, as you all know, in Gladiator OS 12.5.7 they have talked a lot about the cameras and they have said that they're going to improve the image processing of the cameras. So let me just bring a subject here, my old clock which I never use, but yeah, this is the best subject right now. And let's take an image by 2x zoom. So right now you guys should note that the HDR is on and AI is also on. So let's just snap. It takes a bit of time to process the image because of that HDR, but look at the overall result. It's very sharp. It looks excellent, by the way. Just look at that. It looks excellent, and there's just like plenty of dynamic range in the shot as well. And I think there is very little noise. I think there is actually zero noise in this photo. So that's one thing. Like, they have actually done a lot of nice camera tweaks, and now the camera quality is improved by a good means. Like, if you're coming from MIUI of the Poco, you're going to be like amazed by how good the quality is. And the ultra wide angle camera is still kind of okayish because Gcam just makes this camera amazing, but MIUI camera can't do much in this ultra wide because it's just kinda good, not that great. But yeah, the main camera is a lot more improved, and they have also improved the selfie, but I don't think I will be able to show you because right now I'm recording a video. So let's just take a selfie of the, yeah, as you guys can see here also in these black parts, as you guys can see, there is basically zero noise. Like, wow, this is excellent. And this photo is also really excellent. So I just love the way the photos are. My teeth is also plenty bright, so the dynamic range is really good. Overall, they have worked onto the cameras. And now the main part, what about gaming? Yes, we have this BGMI right now, and I'm gonna show you a nice little TDM match right now. I'm going to play and show you how good overall gaming is in this ROM. But still, I'm not going to make a full gaming review because those videos take so much time, and like my exams are coming, so I'm kinda sorry for that. But right now, as I can tell, this ROM can run in 90 FPS. And you know what? Let me show you one amazing feature of this ROM before I play BGMI. That is, here as you guys can see, we have this blue icon in the, battery. Normally it is green. You know why it is blue? Because I have enabled this performance mode. Now this performance mode is actually going to increase the power consumption, but it is going to make the gameplay a lot more smoother, a lot more responsive, and we are already into the BGMI. So right now, let's just go into graphics and first clarify that yes, it does work in 90 FPS. As you guys can see, smooth 90 FPS, no problems in that. And now let's play a bit of TDM in 90 FPS because playing in 90 FPS just feels a lot more smooth. Like, believe me, this ROM, just like the minimum FPS are also 80, that is very, very good. Because if you're coming from a phone which gives barely 60 FPS, like 45 to 50, then if you're going to play in this ROM with this phone, you're going to be amazed by how good the overall gaming experience is going to be. So right now I'm gonna play with this. Yeah, I'm gonna play with this gun, M24, I guess. You know what? I haven't played PUBG or BGMI in so many days that I even forgot the name of the guns right now. Kind of sorry for that, but let's play right now and see how it works. So let's play. So now as you guys can see, it's pretty smooth. By the way, let me increase the brightness a bit so that you will get a better idea. But look at that, it's pretty smooth. Yeah, that's very smooth. 90 FPS does make a lot of sense playing BGMI because here you just can't giggle here a lot. There you go, got one kill, guys. Wow, this is actually one of the smoothest gaming experiences. It is smoother than the Gladiator OS we had. So no, then the Lineage OS I was playing in. That is nice. And overall I just love the fact it works really nice. Whoa, okay. So I'm just gonna play one little quick match. I'm not going to waste a lot of time playing this because I want to do the full review of this ROM today itself. In this video only we are gonna do the full review, so yeah. Let's do a bit of volume. Where is the volume? Guys, the volume isn't coming. Okay, now I remember. I think I have actually, I closed the volume manually. Maybe I was doing some important work at that time. Now the volume will come. Look at that. Look at that. The speakers are also amazing. Like literally, it is really awesome. Speakers are great. I'm in 100% volume right now. I've increased the volume. Whoa! There you go. That was an amazing kill, by the way. Oh my god. Oh wow. So yeah, I'm not that bad also. I'm just kind of learning still. I'm not a pro, but yeah, I think as far as you guys can see, the gameplay is super awesome. It's super smooth. It's actually one of the best gameplay. Okay, where is that guy? I think he must be here. Oh, he isn't here. Oh, okay. I didn't saw that guy actually. But as you guys can see, the best part I like about these ROMs is like they just don't heat the smartphone a lot. Like right now, I'm basically feeling zero heat. It's super smooth, super awesome. There's no heat going on because in MIUI normal ROMs, you know, the stock ROMs, it heats up so much. It's very hard to play in those ROMs because the heat is so much. But in this ROM, it's like basically zero. We don't have a lot of heat going on. It's super smooth, it's nice, it's fluid. I love the way it works, by the way. So after this, we are going to talk about the battery life and the overall in day-to-day app performance, because that is also really important. Oh my god, 90 FPS is doing magic right now. Literally 90 FPS is doing magic right now. Oh, that I was about to die actually. But as you guys can see, I think the gameplay is pretty smooth. Like it's really super smooth. It's actually 90. Let me show you one more time. There you go. 90 FPS running absolutely perfect. In the X3 Pro, no problems in that. We have excellent quality on hand. There you go. I think we're about to win. Just a second. Let me just get the final shot. Where are you? Oh, that was a snapshot, man. That was a snapshot. Yeah, this is pretty fun. Like playing in Gladiators is just pretty fun. It's awesome, man. I love it. Whoa. Whoa. He was waiting for me, huh? Come on, I'm gonna come back. There you go. We won. So, yeah. So as you guys have seen, we actually won the game, and yeah, as far as I can say, playing in Gladiator OS is a lot fun than I expected it would be. It's pretty awesome. It's an amazing ROM to play games, especially the BGMI. Lots of people actually play that game. But yeah, in terms of Call of Duty as well, this doesn't offer high refresh rate in Call of Duty, but it offers very high graphics, so you can basically enjoy. There's no problems in that. It has those live wallpapers. And now let's just talk about battery life, because hey, that's also very important for a ROM like this, because when you're going to play so many games, you need good battery life, isn't it? So now let's just talk about the battery life. And in terms of the battery life, let me just show you my day-to-day screen usage so that you will get a better idea. So let me just go in additional settings. No, wait. Yeah, screen time. And as you guys can see, my weekly screen time is about 15 hours, and I have been using this since 3 days. So it's like 5 hours, 36 minutes, 6 hours, and this time is 4 hours. So yeah, I basically get 6 to 7 hours of battery life without a problem, and I don't charge it every day, so this is also really good. So overall, this ROM is perfect for gaming, for like cameras, but still, if you want the smoothest ROM, like if you really care about smoothness and if you don't play a lot of games, if you want an all-rounder ROM, then I wouldn't recommend this because man, we have a newer build of the Lineage OS. Let me show you. Look at that. We have a newer build of Lineage OS, which is the February 4. So it's kind of really awesome. So I'm going to try that ROM and tell you all about that ROM. So that's pretty much it. But according to me, I just love this ROM. It's awesome. It's one of the smoothest and the best MIUI ROMs for the Poco X3 Pro. But it is based on Android 11, not Android 12. And overall, I just like it. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you like it. I will see you around. Peace out.